Introducing another titanium knife exclusive only to Mtech Evolution. This knife is equipped with many titanium components, including the front scale, the spacer with a breaking tip, the frame lock, and the pocket clip. The 3.5-inch S35VN drop point style blade is mounted on ceramic ball bearings and is equipped with a flipper for smooth, easy deployment. All Mtech Evolution titanium folding knives come with this handy storage pouch, so when you're not using it, you put it away for safekeeping.